Hello friends, I am Vardhan Mittal and I am going to today tell you about the Akash Institute for the students who are moving from 10th to 11th. So this video will be very benefited for the students who are moving from 10th to 11th. So I will tell about the Akash Institute and faculties in the Akash Institute, fee structures and how to get the maximum discount. So let's start with the faculty. Faculties are all IITians and NIITians, so I think we should not doubt on the faculties of Akash. They aim to provide us excellent faculties. Okay, so let's move to the fee structure. So in fee structure we get this form. Okay, in this 1 minute, fee structure will be based on, if you take 2 years course like this was class 9. Okay, and if you want to join, you are a medical aspirant, then your 2 years tuition fee will depend upon the branch that you are joining. Different branch have different tuition fees, and your registration fee will be 17,700 including GST, that is 18%, and your admission fee will be 25,960 including GST, that is 18%. Okay, and now I will tell you, actually the 1 year fee is not given in this data, so I can't tell you. You should go to your nearest branch and take the information. Okay, so first of all I will tell you how to get the maximum discounts. So there are basically 4 types of discounts. One is NTHE. Okay, one is NTHE. This is the first discount, NTHE. Like if you want to join for the you are a medical aspirant, then the NTHE you will give for medical. Your you will write in the form that you are a medical aspirant, and this will be the result. If you get in top 1000 rank, then you have to go with NTHE rank, and if you get below that, you have to go with NTHE score. Okay, like in category 1 there are students from first rank to 50th rank. Okay, their 100% tuition fee will be maaf, and registration fee is also gone 100%. Means in the category A you not have to do you don't have to give only a single rupee. Okay, everything is free. In category B, 51th to 250. Okay, 100% tuition fee is waiver, and registration fee is chargeable. Admission fee, it is also free of cost. Technology and examination fee is also free in this case. Okay, C case, and in C case the rank is 250th to 500, and in this 100% fee is tuition fee is free. Okay, and registration fee chargeable, admission fee chargeable, technology and examination fee, it is 100% free. Okay, and you can click a snapshot of this and or pause the video for more details. I am skipping this part, and now we will move for cash awards for medical aspirant students. Okay, so if you scored first in the NTHE all over the India, then you will get 2 lakh discount if you have chosen classroom course, and you will get 1 lakh discount if you have chosen scholarship. This is scholarship. With this, okay, with this you will get cash awards. Okay, so first 2 lakh for classroom course, and DLP course you will get 1 lakh rupees. Okay, this is as follows. You can click a snapshot. Okay, please focus on the NTHE so that you can get the maximum discount in Akash Institute, and your maximum fee will be where. Okay, and if you focus on the cash awards, you have to be very focused on this study, and you should be disciplined. Okay, and one more discount is, if you join 2 years, for 2 years, then they will give some discount to you. Okay, this is the, like, this box you can see registration fee and admission fee. I have already told to you. Okay, and if you are joining for 2 years, then you cannot go with the NTHE. Okay, NTHE is only for 1 year. Like you are moving from 10th to 11th, then if you give NTHE in the 10th class, your 11th class you will have discount in your 11th class only. You cannot get discount in 12th class. Okay, and this is for engineering. Same, there are top 1000 students, category up to M, and these are the cash awards. Okay, And our next discount is
Next discount is for when you are a student in a Akash Institute. Like if you are in 11th class and you are a Akash student, then you will get discount if you scored full marks in 2 FT. In 10th class it is FST and one term exam or one AIATS. Your fee half fee will be waived. Okay. This is a very good discount. If you don't know about the NTH and you have joined the Akash, then Akash will support you that you are showing the interest towards the studies.
our next discount, that is defense discount. Yes, defense discount. Defense discount is 15%, I think so. And if you are belong to a defense family, then you will get a 15% discount. Okay. And next discount is A1 discount. This is very excellent discount. If you are not going with NTH, then you are eligible for this A1 discount. Okay. In A1 discount, if you scored in every subject A1, then you will get 10% discount. Okay, 10% discount. And another discount is sibling discount. Sibling discount is 5%. If your sibling is joining with you in the institute, then you will get 5% discount. Also, he or she will also get the 5% discount. Okay. And next discount is NTSC stage 2. NTSC stage 2. If you are a NTSC stage 2 clearer, you will get 100% discount in 11th class. Okay. You should not supposed to pay a single rupee if you are a NTSC stage 2 clearer. Okay. And you will also have a reputation in the Akash Institute that you are a NTSC stage 2 clearer. So I request you all to focus on NTSC stage 2. And now lockdown is going on, so you can be prepared very well. Okay. And I hope you will focus on this. Okay, this is all for the discounts. And now I will tell why I supposed to say you that join Akash Institute only, because Akash Institute is a very reputed institute. Okay. And their faculties are excellent. Every branch of Akash is excellent. I am also a Akash student. Okay. And I have got this discount. So if you are in Akash Institute, then if you are performing well, they are giving discount. Okay. So if you think that I will not give NTH and these I am not in these category, then if you score well in 11th class, you will get discount. Yes, in 11th class there is no FST, there will be FT. FT is fortnightly test, and this will be objective test. And in 10th class it is subjective. Okay.
This is the examination pattern for the NTH. The total number of questions will be 90 and total marks will be 360, means each question will be of 4 marks, and the duration will be 2 hours. There will be no negative marking. In the physics you will get 15 question, in the chemistry you will get 15 question, in the biology you will get 15 question, mathematics 25 question, and mental ability 20 question. Okay. This is the syllabus for NTH. Please take a snapshot or pause the video and read. Okay. The exam is conducting in the month of October every year, so please make a check. And registration can be online or offline. You can visit the branch and get the registration. Okay, registration form. That's all for today. If you have any suggestion, you can comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching.